remember.
Huh?
I didn't have time to make it.
No problem. We can do it.
What we'll do, like for the time when we went here, we'll go over a part at a time. Not everything, but a little part so people can look.
Okay, so we have the head breaking down right now. Let's work on the that okay? Yeah, I gotta go to school for this. Okay, so we have
grown people like him. First we are all saying pretty.
okay, this section here is called. Now let's start from here, right? Kati bugale? Egeway. Some people omit the W-E out and Ege. Means the same. Egeway. Okay? Kati bugale again? Igina, right? Igina. The neck. What about the neck bone?
Labu.
Iginebu. Okay, we're not talking about bones here. Okay, so we have Egewi, Kategele. Kategele. Arunebu. Kategele. Okay.
We have to remember, we have to label the whole arm, arena, but then we are going to the different parts of the arena.
Kalidile? Arena, right? Okay, you know, some people, some kids go like this and they show up a little big stuff. Kalidile?
We call it cap. We call it cap in Spanish.
Okay.
See, we call it cat in Spanish. So.
How they give it mess with another show who has the bigger one. And it hurts sometimes. What about this?
Biceps and triceps.
This part here?
That's the stinky part.
Yeah.
That's the what?
Stinky part.
Look at that.
Nissan.
Okay.
Nissan.
What about? Ronnie? Tell me that.
Armpit.
The hair. Leo Gallagher. Leo Ugalagur. Okay? What about this part here? The joint.
Oh, wow.
Maligara. See, this is a word with all gaguti. And it's supposed to have a peggy here. Okay? What about this part here? Kalirileya. Huh? Ufunye. And this part here, kalidile.
Lirami you move. Oh,
Fingers.
The whole hand. Uhabu. Okay? Okay.
thanks. Go ahead. Thanks.
Go ahead for what? Okay. Go ahead, let's finish with the hand. Go on, okay. Now nihali rahi uhabu, right? Lirahi uhabu. Fingers. The fingers. Kalidile. Kalidile. Okay. Luguchin uhabu. Okay. Luguchin uhabu. This one. Kalidile. Le.
So that's called the father of the hand?
The father of the hand. The biggest thumb, the thumb, right?
Okay, yeah.
The biggest finger, the biggest finger.
That's the thumb?
The thumb.
The other one.
Yeah, look at you, Habu. Agele. What do you do with this finger?
Pointer finger.
The pointer.
Okay.
Index.
Incha hagdile. Incha hagdile.
I've already said that.
What did he do? Peace sign, right?
I'm doing good. We're almost done. We're almost done.
Okay.
Let me call you for this. So do you know?
See that? We have incha hagdile. And this one is? This one here? You see the position? It's on the center. It's the center finger. Amidani. What about the other one? What do you see on it? You see? We're people use the ring, right?
Yeah.
Bagno.
Put a ring on it.
Bagno. And this one here is the smallest.
Pinky.
Pinky, meñique, kinkili. What do you have there? Yeah. Kinkiling.
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 Agamba de mujer como tu kinkiling. The smallest.
Yeah, right.
The smallest means